On this new video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram. You can't send messages for 3 days problem. Easily fix it. So all what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, open your Instagram like this and then go to your profile and go to the top here, click on those three lines and then click on the settings. Now click on the help option. It's this option right here, and here you will find 5 options. All what you want to do is click on the first one, which is report a problem. Now click on report problem without shaking, preparing bag report. Now all what you want to do here is send a text message to the Instagram support team, and also you need to make sure to send a picture of the problem and then click next. After that, you need to wait a few hours and check your email, and you will find an email about the problem if it's fixed. After that, you have to go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it to have the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just because of the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.